So this is how to pressure wash in the middle of the woods without a hose bib or a water supply. Our water supply is one of these 275 gallon IBC totes filled with water. What we have on the valve on the bottom is a female coupling going into some brass couplings and a ball valve with the garden hose on it. And we have this bridge that we're pressure washing because it was covered in mildew. It's going through a wetland and it hasn't been pressure washed in years. So I'll show you the other end.
I'll be right there.
So we're at about the halfway point of this, what we call the boardwalk. This is where I started.
Okay.
And with about 300 feet of hose, there's enough water pressure in that tote for a pressure washer to work all the way down here. And using one of these surface cleaner attachments, this makes it a pretty easy job.